foundational credential that validates your understanding of Salesforce's core concepts and functionalities. It's crucial for launching a career in the tech industry, as it demonstrates your commitment to learning and equips you with skills to optimize customer relationships, making you valuable in today's data driven market. The Salesforce Associate certification is a valuable credential for anyone seeking to enter the Salesforce ecosystem. It provides a foundational understanding of Salesforce's tools, features, and business applications, making it an essential step for career development. With growing demand for Salesforce professionals, this certification can significantly enhance career prospects, job security, and earning potential, while laying the groundwork for more advanced certifications in the Salesforce ecosystem. Why is the Salesforce Associate certification important? Career opportunities. Salesforce is widely used across industries, increasing the demand for professionals with Salesforce expertise. The certification gives job seekers an edge in the competitive market, enhancing their chances of landing roles such as Salesforce administrator, analyst, or consultant. Foundation for advanced certifications. The associate certification serves as a stepping stone for pursuing more advanced certifications, such as Salesforce Certified Administrator, Developer, or Consultant. Industry recognition. Salesforce certifications are globally recognized, and having an entry level certification helps establish credibility with employers, signaling proficiency in Salesforce. Job security and earnings. Salesforce professionals are in high demand, and certified individuals often earn higher salaries and enjoy greater job security. Certification can unlock higher paying roles as professionals advance in their Salesforce careers. Networking and resources. Certified professionals gain access to the Salesforce Trailblazer community, an exclusive network of Salesforce experts, providing opportunities for collaboration, learning, and career growth. Increased efficiency. The certification ensures that individuals can effectively navigate and optimize Salesforce tools, streamlining processes, automating tasks, and improving business outcomes.